In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the duration of text timing, in Canva. If you've ever wanted your text to appear and disappear at the perfect moment in your design or video, this is exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused, so you can get precise timing without any confusion. Start by opening your Canva project. Once your design is on the screen, click to select the text element you want to control. This could be a title, a subtitle, or any text box you've added. Make sure the text itself is selected so Canva knows which element you want to time. With the text selected, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. From there, click Show Element Timing. This reveals a timing panel at the bottom of your screen. Think of this area as a mini timeline for your page or slide. You'll see the overall slide duration and layered on top of it, a bar that represents the specific text element you chose. That bar is your text's appearance window. The ends of the bar have small handles. Drag the left handle to set when the text should first appear, and drag the right handle to decide when it should disappear. This trims the start and end of your text's presence within the slide. If the timing feels right, but you want the entire text segment to shift earlier or later, click and hold in the middle of the bar and drag it left or right. This moves the whole block without changing its length. It's a great way to fine-tune placement if you're syncing text with visuals or pacing. As you adjust, notice that the text bar can only live within the slide's overall duration shown underneath. If you can't drag past a certain point, that's because the slide ends there, and the text can't extend beyond it. Keep your adjustments within that range so everything stays aligned. A quick tip for clarity: make sure you're dragging the text element's bar, not the slide's bar beneath it. The element bar controls just that one piece of text, which is exactly what you want when fine-tuning timing. Once the handles are set and the bar is positioned where you want it, you're done. Your text will now appear and disappear exactly according to the timing you set. That's all it takes to control text duration in Canva. Select the text, show element timing, adjust the handles, and drag the bar to the right spot. Simple, precise, and incredibly useful for polished designs.